martyrs
Paano?
named Saint Valentine. It is traditionally a day on which lovers express their love for each other by presenting flowers, offering confectionery, and sending greeting cards known as Valentine's. Let's welcome our guests for today. For the first set of guests.
El Coelho.
Good morning to the two of you. Our first question is, for you, Mr. Aran, is Valentine's Day important?
Yes.
And why?
For the entire year, it is the very special day for lovers, and it is the best day for them to manifest their love.
Thank you for your beautiful answer. And Miss Shara? Describe love.
For me, love is not spoken by words, but felt by heart.
Yes, research. Love can be expressed by means of music. We're very lucky for having her. Our very own Miss Angelica Blanco. Ria, Filipinas are fond of composing love songs. What can you say about it?
I can say that I am proud to be a Filipino because Filipinos are creative and they can compose love songs that they are inspired to do that.
Thank you for the beautiful answer. If you were to choose, who would you pick? The person you love or the person loving you? And why?
For me, I would choose the person who is loving me because what will I do to the person I love if that person that I love to is the one who's not loved me. So I prefer to choose the one who's loving me because I know that this person would love me truly and endlessly.
Let's join Miss Blanco for her intermission Miss Angelica, Sarah, Aran, and Garcia.
Bruno Mars. From the onset. Well, it's our chance to choose.
sila. Nicole. Blocking.
Baby and Angelica.
Yay!
You are the third party. Ano? And you are the legal
Wife.
girlfriend. So, you will
David, bawal yan. Bawal ang camera sa TV.
Mad. Now, can go. Act. Action.
Yeah! Sige lang.
Mr. David Brian Torano, what is the meaning of this?
Third party, come back! Hoy, David! Tularan mo yan!
Ba't may sabungan? May sabon no, tandang.
Babuyan yan. Ang bago mo, David.
Solo! Okay, I can relate already now. Okay, it's a very nice presentation. All the participants are in their best outfit. But your dress do not complement with your shoes. Maganda. Maganda ang damit pero hindi inayos yung kanilang. Okay, that's a fine presentation. Let's give them 5 points also. Go! Maganda. Kaya lang, we ran out of time. Okay? Next group.